Okay guys, so here it is. I moved the twin bed out of this corner here, and I moved all my situation that way into the corner. So I have my items that I can alter right here. I have my bin here of fabrics, and then I have some items here that were gifted to me or were from the challenges. And here we go, we have some gifts. I put some of them up. I still have a few more to put up. And I finally have a station for my Cricut. My ladder's there because I still have one more to put up. And then my sewing machine is here. And my stationery pens and notebooks and stuff like that. Okay, and then I moved my shelf. This is a bathroom shelf right here. It was for my son, but he doesn't like it. He doesn't want to use it in school, so I put all my punches on this shelf. All my stickers are here. They're easy to get to, and my bling, all the dimensional stuff. Same with up here. And then I moved my tools that used to be on this shelf. These used to be right here in front of me, and I switched it. So all of it's over there. And then I have my shelf in front of me with my scissors, which I reach for all the time, my handy tools, and then my pens and markers and stuff that I use all the time. And then there, back here is my mug. Sorry, that was in the way. My mug with all my pens that I gift or received from swap meal and stuff. And then, yeah, so I have my stamping blocks and my ink pads that I use normally, and then the brand new stamps that I've hauled from Tuesday morning this past summer. And then now I have a space here that whatever paper pads I'm using, I can put it right here, and it's off camera. And then my cutting board is here. You can see my scraps from my Cricut that I just made last night. And here are those little words that are supposed to be sweetheart, but it didn't really cut correctly. I'll show you the corrected one now. This is the cutouts that I did yesterday, because today's a new day. And then I moved my spin caddy that I made over to my right hand side, which, because I'm a righty, it's a lot easier to reach for and use. And then this table here is usually cleared. I'm not completely done, so I have my mailing stuff down here and my laminating machines. This is a haul that I did before the holidays, and then this is where I usually would take the photos for Instagram and also for my YouTube. And then in here, it looks like a mess, but it's not. It's an organized mess. And these are just the memorabilia and pictures and photos of my family, my kids, that I still have to scrapbook, and then some items that I want to keep for my son, who is, only 10 so far. So these could go in a memory box soon. And then all my wrapping papers are back there, and my yarns and my crocheting items are in these two bins. Some of them are completed projects, and then some of them are just unused yarns. And then this little tower right here, it looks ugly because they're all in miscellaneous shoe boxes. But these are my letters that I received or happy mail that I just want to keep. And then these are just boxes that I hold from Dollar Tree. In these boxes, the shoe boxes right here, these are, let me just show it to you. This is crepe paper rolls and my mesh rolls and my ribbons, all my ribbons. So they're in these two. And then down here are more like holiday, like Christmas ribbons and stuff. And then down on the bottom, I have my overflow from the Christmas, and these are just straws and like stuff to recycle. All right, and then I have a big basket that I just hauled from a thrift store, and I put my shopping bags in there because I don't want to throw them away because they do come in handy, and also you can recycle. And this is the project that I was working on yesterday, so I'm going to cut away and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the failed cut that I did yesterday. And then I told you about the, what is it called? Welding. When you weld your letters together, they'll cut and stay together. So that's what I wanted to show you. I recut the whole thing, but I also fixed the sweetheart. Let me get my spatula. So this is the word that I created with the Silhouette software, and it's supposed to cut and still be one word. So let me just see if it was successful because I haven't looked at it yet. I had to go to basketball practice. Wonderful. Last night. Whoops. Kind of fiddly because it's very thin, and I'm trying not to tear it, and see, it worked. So the difference when you weld your letters together, they're all touching and it's one piece. Okay, just like that. I love it. Compared to when you don't take the time to weld your letters, they'll cut out individually. Okay, so that is all a little room tour and my fixed problem. But yeah, if you guys are interested, please leave a comment down below. Whoops, I ripped my paper. Oh, just trying not to do that. But anyway, please leave a comment down below if you're interested in seeing a video of how I created these cutouts. I used the free app, the Cricut Design Space, on my cell phone because, like I said, computer is not viable right now. Look at that. Okay, and if you want to see a video how I do that, then leave a comment down below and leave the word sweetheart, sweetheart. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.